When someone moves and files a change of address with the Postal Service, a record is created, and there is a great deal of confusion about who can see it. Here is the accurate picture. You cannot walk into a post office and ask where someone moved. That information is not released to the public. What exists is the National Change of Address System, a regulated database that licensed users may access to update their own mailing lists, subject to strict rules about how it is used. There is also a narrow provision allowing a mailer to receive a corrected address on returned mail. This is why a debt collector or a business may reach you at a new address without you ever telling them. Two practical limits matter. Forwarding orders expire, typically after 12 months for standard mail, and a substantial share of movers never file one at all. So change of address data is useful and far from complete, which is why it is one input among many rather than an answer. If this clarified something, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.